Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Amanda, and I create content about all things mani and pedi. If you're into the DIY nail life, keep watching and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy my videos. So I recently shared my Acrygel tutorial with you. I'll link that video below, but today I'm going to show you how to remove said Acrygel. This manicure was one coat of Acrygel topped with a gel French manicure. It has seen better days and it's time for her to go, so let's get into it. Let's start with a 100/180 file to buff off the majority of the manicure. Per usual, this file is a part of the best gel removal clip system that I always talk about. It's only $10 on Amazon and it's one of the best investments you'll ever make. I'll link a few videos I've made about it below, as well as a link to purchase one for yourself. You're going to want to file off as much of the polish as possible before you hit the natural nail. This will help you avoid any damage. You also want to be careful when using the file because it could rough up the skin around your nail, and this will lead to some future cuticle trouble, so do your best to keep the file on the surface of the nail only. Once most of the polish is removed, grab 100% acetone and some cotton balls. I like to use cotton rounds cut in half. I find that they're the easiest to work with. Soak each round with acetone, wrap it around the nail, and apply the clip. It's so easy. Repeat this on each finger until the entire hand is done. I like to do this one hand at a time, so I still have 5 other fingers to type, scroll, flip the page of a book, etc. Set a timer for about 10 minutes and just relax for a bit while the clips do their work. When the timer goes off, grab this handy tool that comes in your kit and remove the first clip. Most of the manicure should have soaked off or curled up and detached itself from the nail, but using this tool you can gently scrape off the remaining polish. After scraping, you can pop each nail back into the clips to soak off any remaining bits of polish or Acrygel that may still be lingering. When you're done, remove all of the clips to reveal perfectly undamaged nails. Use the tool to target any last bits of Acrygel before lightly buffing each surface with a cube. Go ahead and wash your hands and then apply a generous amount of cuticle oil to your naked nails to immediately rehydrate them. I love these clips so much. If you don't have them, you can soak your fingers to achieve similar results, but I find that these work the quickest and most efficiently. Post-removal, my nails are clean, smooth, and completely damage-free. That's always the goal. My tips looked a bit yellow, so after this, I tried a DIY treatment, and I'll link that video below if you want to check it out. I hope you enjoyed this and found it helpful. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, I'd love for you to do so, especially if you're a returning viewer. I'd love for you to stick around. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye!